Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about two of the companies from renewable energy space, that is KPI Green Energy and Waaree Renewables. If we talk about KPI Green, then company was incorporated in 2008. It's a part of KP Group. They develop, build, own, manage and maintain renewable power as an independent power producer and as a service provider to captive power producers. Uh, they have different companies under this group, and as we discussed, they mainly provide solar power under IPP model. Also, they are involved in engineering, procurement and construction to captive power producers. Company runs its entire business mainly from Gujarat and has installed capacity of 158 megawatt of solar power under IPP segment and 287 megawatt of EPC in CPP project. If we talk about Waaree Renewable, then company was incorporated in 1999, is engaged in business of generation of power through renewable energy sources and also provides consultancy services in this regard. Uh, Company is one of the largest vertically integrated new energy companies and has solar manufacturing capacity of 12 gigawatts. So, Waaree Renewable also has a manufacturing into solar models, whereas KPI Green is more involved in EPC and independent power producer. Uh, if we talk about major news, then KPI Green stock is volatile in recent few days because of a stock split. Company has decided to split its stocks in 1 is to 2 ratio, and that has led to volatility in its stock price. Stock price went down by 33%, but it is mainly driven by stock split. So overall value of this stock, if anyone has it, will remain same. Only there is a split in 1 is to 2 ratio. If we talk about major news uh, from renewable, Waaree Renewable, then there is a news of Waaree Renewable Technology begging 2 gigawatt solar project in Bikaner, and that has resulted into jump in its stock price in recent past. If we compare their market cap, then KPI Green has a market cap of around 10,000 crores and Waaree Renewable has a market cap of around 14,500 crores. So their market cap is pretty much comparable. P for KPI Green is slightly lower compared to Waaree, which has a P of 73. ROE and ROC numbers for Waaree are better compared to KPI Green, and their dividend is negligible. KPI Green has a dividend yield of 0.05 and Waaree Renewable of 0.07. If we compare their valuations, then as we already saw, KPI Green has lower valuation than Waaree. However, its valuation is more than historical average, uh, whereas for Vari, its valuation again is more than historical average, but historically it is trading at a very premium valuation, and the valuations have sort of corrected a bit in recent few quarters, though it is noteworthy to note that both of these companies are maintaining consistent growth in their profit number. If we talk about exact numbers, then for KPI Green, last 5 year sales CAGR is 97% and profit CAGR is 100%. So there is a very good profit and sales growth, and that has resulted into a very good stock price CAGR as well, which was 169% for last 5 years for KPI Green. Also, growth is pretty consistent, barring 2020. For all the years, company has been able to improve its profit numbers and sales numbers as well. In fact, sales number were up in COVID year, which is overall a positive. for the company. For Wari, both sales and profit numbers are even better. Sales growth was 180% for last 5 years, and profit number was 244%, and that is again getting reflected in its stock price. So uh, Vari is a stock which has turned into a multi-bagger. uh, Company has started delivering very good numbers after COVID, and that has resulted into such great performance in terms of its stock price. Company was not making any profits till COVID, but after COVID, it sort of took off, and now we can see company delivering sales of around 1,000 crores and profit numbers of around 200 crores. So both of these companies are operating in a high growth sector. So it is high probability that these numbers will continue to be better, though may not be growing at a pace which it used to, but still growth numbers are likely to be good in coming quarters as well. If we talk about the technicals, then for KPI Green, stock is currently trading at a price of 550. As we discussed, it is because of stock split, and 480 level is acting as a good support for this stock. It did take support near this level in the past, and in the recent few weeks also it did take support near this level. Another important level to watch out for is 634, which acted as a resistance, and after that a level of 700, and finally around 750, which was its all time high. So these are few important levels to watch out for. Again, quarterly results are something which investors will see, and if they are in line with expectations, then we can expect stock to perform well going forward. If we talk about Vari, then stock is currently trading at a price near 1400. 1276 level is acting as a support for the stock. It did take support near this level several times in the past, and in recent correction also it did take support near this level. uh, it is taking resistance near this decreasing trend line. It hit all time high of around 3000 and has corrected, and whenever there was a jump in its stock price, it did take support near this trend line only. So these are few important levels to watch out for. If going forward company breaks out and uh, doesn't break down from 1276 level, then we can expect an uptrend. Obviously it will have to be supported by quarterly numbers. If they are good, then there is a possibility of stock reaching to its all time high, and uh, delivering returns of more than 100% from this level. So these are the two companies which are from renewable energy space, and are looking promising. Remember friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your due diligence and consult your investment advisor before taking any buy or sell call. Thank you.